You are watching my second video. In the first video, I have explained you the basic of matrices. So in this video, I will teach you how to find out inverse of square matrix. I will take 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. For both, the steps are same. So first method is by adjoint methods. In all, there are 5 steps. First one, that you have to find out determinant of the matrix. If determinant is not equal to 0, then only A inverse exists. Otherwise, inverse does not exist. You can take screenshot of this. Second step is you have to find the cofactors. I told you in my first video. Then in third step, you have to write down all the cofactors in matrix form. Fourth step is adjoint of A. Now what is this adjoint of A? It is simply transpose of matrix of cofactors. And the last and the final step is A inverse. Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. I explain you all these steps by taking one example. Okay. Now I am taking example of 2 by 2 matrix first. So 5 steps. First step is that you have to find out determinant of matrix A. So it is 4 minus 6 equals to minus 2, not equal to 0. You can see the value of determinant is not equal to 0 and therefore A inverse exists. So this is the first step. Now we'll come to second step. In second step, we have to find out cofactors. So for finding out cofactors, we will find out first minors. Now how to find out minors? M11. For this, you have to leave first row and first column. What will remain? 4. 1, 2, first row, second column, so 3. Second row, first column, 2. Second row, second column, 1. So these are the minors. Now cofactors. Now if addition of row and column even, same sign, and if odd, then change sign. So 1 plus 1, 2, even. So sign will remain same. 1 plus 2, odd. So we have to change the sign. 2 plus 1, 3. Again odd. You have to change the sign. 2 plus 2, 4. Even number. Sign will remain same. So we have completed 2 steps. Now we will come to third. Okay. So third step is that we have to write all these cofactors in matrix form. So how to write? A11, 4. A12, minus 3. A21, minus 2. A22, 1. So we have completed third step also. Now fourth one. In fourth step, we will find out adjoint of A. Adjoint, it is written in short form as ADG. So adjoint of A, that is transpose of matrix of cofactors. So it's transpose 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. So we have completed fourth step also. Now last, okay. Now the final step is, that is A inverse. A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Now what is the value of determinant of A? Minus 2. So 1 upon minus 2, and adjoint 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. This is the answer. Now same thing, shortcut to find out adjoint, fourth step, directly 2 by 2 matrix. A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to find out adjoint A directly, then what we have to do, interchange these diagonal elements 4 and 1, interchange their places, and for non-diagonal elements you have to just change the sign. If they are positive, make them negative. If they are negative, make them positive. So you can see that adjoint here and here, they are same. Next we will take inverse of square matrix by adjoint method, matrix of order 3 by 3. This is one example. First step, we have to find out determinant of A. So you know, first plus, minus, plus. 2, leave first row and first column. So 2, 3, 1, 0. Minus 1, first row, second column. 0, 3, minus 1, 0. Then 0, 2, minus 1, 1. 2 into 0, 0 minus 3. 0 minus minus 3, 0 minus minus 2. So 0 minus 3, minus 3, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 2 is 2. So 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 3, 2. Minus 9 plus 2, that is minus 7, which is not equal to 0, and therefore A inverse exists. Now second step, that is, we have to find out cofactors, and before finding out cofactors we have to find out minors. So in all there are 9 minors. Value of 3 minors we will get from here. M11 means leave first row, first column. So what will remain? 2, 3, 1, 0. This. M12, first row, first row, second column. 0, 3, minus 1, 0. M13, first row, third column. So 0, 2, minus 1, 1. You can see from here, same. So solving this, we will get minus 3. We will get 3 here and here 2. Similarly, you have to find out the rest of the minors yourself. And after finding out minors, you have to write down the cofactors. So I am giving you the answer, you note it down. M21 is minus 1, 1, 3. M31, it is 1, this is 6, and this is 4. Now you have to tell me now the cofactors. M11 is minus 3. So what will be the value of C11, A11, sorry, A11? Sign will remain same because 1 plus 1, 2, even number, so same sign. A12, sign will change, 3, so it will become minus 3. A13, sign will remain same because 1 plus 3, 4, which is even. Now A21, 2 plus 1, again 3, sign will change. So minus 1, it will become plus 1. A22, 2 plus 2, 4, even number, so sign will not change. A23, 2 plus 3, odd, so we have to change the sign. A31, 3 plus 1, 4, which is even number, so same sign. A32, 3 plus 2, 5, odd number, so change the sign. A33, same sign. So this one, and A21, A23. Out of 9, we have to change the sign of A12, A21, A23 and A32. So in this way we have completed two steps. First step to find out determinant, second step to find out the cofactors. Now third step, matrix of cofactors. All the cofactors that we have found out, we have to write in the form of matrix. -3, 2 in the first row, 1, 1, -3 in the second row, 1, -6, 4 in the third row. Now adjoint of A, fourth step, this adjoint of A is the transpose of matrix of cofactors. So we have to write out transpose of this matrix, rows into columns. So -3, -3, 2, 1, 1, -3 we'll write in second column, 1, -6, 4 we'll write in third column. Now last and final step, that is A inverse, adjoint of A divided by determinant. So determinant -7. So put here the values and this is the final answer. Now see exercise given on page number 51, question 1 to 6 you can do now. Only question 4th is different. So I am taking similar type of problem. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, then show that adjoint of A multiplied by A into adjoint of A equals to determinant of A into I. So let us start. Determinant of A, 4 -6 -2. Now cofactors, A11, A12, A21, A22. So A11 that is 4, A12 first row second column 3, A21 2, A22 1. Now in this I have written directly cofactors, so we have to see the sign. Where we have to change the sign? 1 plus 1, 2, even number. No need to change sign. 1 plus 2, odd. Change the sign. 2 plus 1, 3, odd. Change the sign. 2 and 2, 4, it will remain. So now next is matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors, 4 -3 -2 1. Now we want here adjoint of A. You know adjoint of A is transpose of this matrix. So 4 -3 -2 1. Now we have to show that adjoint of A into A equals to this. So let us multiply adjoint of A by matrix A. Adjoint of A is 4 -2 -3 1 multiplied by 1 2 3 4. How to multiply? R1 R2 C1 C2. R1 with C1, R1 with C1, first element with first, second element with second. So what we'll get? 4 into 1 4 plus -2 into 3 -6. Now R1 with C2, first with first, second with second. 4 into 2 8 -8. Now R2 with C1, -3 into 1 -3, 1 into 3 3. R2 C2, -3 into 2 6, 1 into 4 4. So finally what we'll get? 4 -6 -2 0 0 and here -2. So this is adjoint of A into A. Now you have to find out A multiply by adjoint A. And now you see this one, determinant of A. Now what is determinant of A? What is the value of determinant of A? Determinant of A, it is -2. And I here means unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Multiply this scalar by this matrix, so -2, 0, 0, -2. So you can see here that from first and second I can write here adjoint of A multiply by A equals to determinant of A into R. I have left this portion for you. You have to complete this. Now whatever I have explained, on the basis of that you have to complete exercise given on page number 51, 1 to 6, and you can ask your problem.